What is up? It's your boy Young Fizz, aka Mr. Dope Status on Instagram, and welcome back to another video. So today we are back working with the Orion Studio. This is the Rev 2017 edition, and I want to show how you can connect this to a external compressor. And we're going to be using an insert points right here on the back. And this was a viewer requested video, so shout out to you for the idea here. And it's actually very simple to do. What you're gonna need is this cable here, and I'm gonna leave a link down in the description below. So this cable right here is a 1/4 inch TRS male, and then it breaks off into a female, which is this one right here, and then a male XLR. So basically what you do, you take this in here and you plug it right into the back of this insert unit here. So this is insert number 1, insert number 2, mono, and then you can, if you use a stereo compressor like I do, you just need to double the cable here. So again, you have the insert number 1 and insert number 2, and this is hardwired to the front of the unit on the combo jacks of 1 and 2. So what you need to do is plug this end into the compressor here, and then make sure you are using numbers 1 and 2 on the front of the interface. If you're not using number 1 and 2, then it's not going to work. You're just basically doing this for nothing. So in order for this to work, 1 and 2 on the back, it needs to be 1 and 2 on the front as well, is where you need to be plugging your mic, whatever you want to insert into the unit. So that is pretty much the connection there. And you would just open your software, and then in the software, you would just use 1 and 2, and you can route that anywhere within the patch bay using the control panel with the software. So I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, leave a comment down below. It's your boy Young Fizz, aka Mr. Dope Status, and we will see you on the next video. Thank you for tuning in. We out.